Welcome to Amazing Kitchen. Today you are watching Kitchen Tours, our second episode, whereby every week we visit a kitchen across Singapore and we cook on the spot for you to see. So enjoy this episode and make sure you stay tuned every Friday. Today I'm at Lenas Cafe along Jalan Pisang right off of Arab Street. This is a very popular tourist destination, so if you haven't been, you should check it out. Today I'll be making a great sandwich with a cappuccino and a beautiful cold brew tea. Right in front of us you can see all of our beautiful ingredients that we'll be using today for our sandwich. So let's get to it. We'll start by cutting our bread and toasting it. Toasting, we can start preparing our chicken with our avocado with every other ingredient. So we have our chicken. We will just simply give it a nice cut. Doesn't have to be perfect because this will all get mixed in together with our dressing. Simply cut that in half and half again. Perfect. Our avocado. So let's cut off the ends. We just give it a nice even cut. We add this in. Then finally we have our carrots. So this is already shredded and cut finely. So add that in. Great, so our ingredients are in, and we have our honey mustard. Then we have some Italian dressing. We'll pour that over it. And we'll season it with our salt and some fresh grounded pepper, some oregano. And finally we have some extra virgin olive oil. This will add a lot of flavor to this mixture. So if you like more, just add more. Now let's mix everything together. The egg gives you the protein with the chicken. Then we have the good fats from our avocado. And then we have our fiber from the vegetable. And great seasoning. Look at this. This is coming together very nicely. We can set this aside and wait for our bread. We can cut our lettuce. So this will go over our beautiful sandwich. And we'll transfer it to our beautiful plates. Then we have some cherry tomatoes, which we will also cut in half. Great, so we'll set that aside. Here we go. Wow, look at it. It's beautifully brown on both sides, so this is good to go. I can hear this. Can you hear it? It's nice and crispy. We will layer some lettuce top and bottom. Then we have our mixture and we just simply scoop it over our lettuce. Alright, now let's pour the rest over the top. Wow, look at this. This is a hearty sandwich. Then we'll garnish the top with tomato, more lettuce, and some more fresh drizzle olive oil. Freshly grounded pepper for some more aroma. So let's close this up. Great, look at this beauty. Isn't this amazing? Alright, let's make our cappuccino. So, we'll dry this and let's place it on. Now we can turn on our machine. Perfect. And so we've just cleaned this off. We'll warm this and we can brew. We have a double shot right there to go. Hit this. Now while that is running, we have some milk. Now let's steam our milk. Okay, we got our milk and it's perfect. Okay, we get our cappuccino and then we can pour our milk into it. Come closer. Let's pour this. Now we got our plate. We can serve this. Isn't this beautiful? Now let's move on to making our fresh brew Earl Grey milk tea. So we put our tea bag in our portafilter, drain some hot water through, and we have our glass with some ice, and we pour in some fresh milk. And we place this under our portafilter and hit our brew button. As you can see, our fresh brew Earl Grey tea is being poured directly into our glass with milk. This is awesome. There we go, our milk tea. Add some pearls to it and it's complete. Alright, you saw a beautiful sandwich with our coffee and our bubble tea. So now let's give it a try and see how this is. This sandwich looks very hearty. Perfect. Very crunchy. Let's take a sip of our cappuccino. That's right, no sugar needed. This is awesome. Now let's take another bite of this sandwich. Chicken and the sauce mix perfectly. And my bubble tea. So this is an Earl Grey. As you can see, it was freshly brewed. And this is not plastic. This is stainless steel. So for environmental purpose, this can be reused. We added a small amount of sugar to this, so this is just perfect. It's light, flavorful, and it's freshly brewed. You can't find this anywhere else. Look at this. I mean, as you can see, the environment is perfect. I have my sandwich, I have my meal, my coffee, my tea, everything. This is good for my brunch or dinner or even lunch. Perfect. So, if you like what you see today, remember to follow our other episodes on this kitchen tour, which we have an episode every week. So remember to stay tuned for our following episode. Until next time, bye now.